As a business owner, you know how much goes into creating and managing a website. Writing content and working out technical issues can be overwhelming. But there is another, even more monumental task you must undertake if you want your website to be successful. This is link building. Link building is simply getting another website to put a link on their site to your own site. This is called a backlink because it links back to your site. But why are backlinks so important? Because it increases your domain authority, which is how relevant your site is to your specific subject matter. These backlinks are essentially upvotes telling search engines that this is trusted, relevant information. And the more backlinks you have from highly accredited sites, the higher search engines like Google will rank you in their search results. With that said, high-quality backlinks are the key, as low-quality, spammy backlinks can actually hurt your site. There is another aspect of link building to consider. When inserting a link to your website, the author or webmaster can choose to label it as a do-follow or a no-follow link. A do-follow link tells the Google web crawlers to follow the link back to your website. So how do you get people to put your links on their websites? Well, you have to give them good reasons, something of value that will enrich their own site. This is where link building gets tricky. If Google detects unnatural links to your site, you will drop in rank and even risk a penalty. There are a lot of black hat or deceptive link building tactics that people employ to manipulate the SERPs. So, what are the best ways to build backlinks? 1. Guest posts, where you write a blog post for another website. Then they publish the piece and link back to your site. 2. Broken link building. If you can find broken links on another website, it is a perfect opportunity to insert your relevant link and fix their webpage. 3. Create infographics. Infographics are visual images that represent some type of data and is a great way to build links. Many people will freely insert an infographic on their post if it adds value to that post. If you want to build links using white hat methods approved by Google, you will need to formulate a plan and build a campaign. This would include identifying and targeting high-authority websites, tailoring enticing emails, and writing customized guest posts. To implement a successful link-building campaign, you need to send out hundreds, even thousands of emails to get maybe a 1% return. As a business owner, you probably don't have time for all the research, planning, and implementing that goes for a campaign like this. We do, and we can help. We have SEO professionals who specialize in finding and targeting high-authority websites in your niche, customizing an outreach plan that is done personally, not automized, and writing and creating the content that will go onto these websites with your backlink. Contact us today. neurdesigns.com, NEUR designs.com.